First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see 10 mixed arithmetic questions, which are PO prelims level questions. Let's see the question number 1. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Let's get see with the question number 1. Yuvraj can complete your work alone in 77 days. Yuvraj can complete your work in 77 days. If Dhoni is 25% less efficient than Yuvraj, so efficiency is given as 25% less means one fourth less. One fourth less means three fourth. Three fourth, which is three fourth. Dhoni is three fourth of Yuvraj. So these are the efficiencies. So efficiency of Yuvraj is 4. Efficiency of D Dhoni is 3. Okay. So here the total must be 77 into 4 times, which is 28 into 11 times. 28 into 11 times will be 318. So here the value is 318. So to find this one, we can able to do 318 divided by 3. The question asked is, then find the number of days in which the work will be completed if Yuvraj and Dhoni together are appointed to complete the same work. So if both are combiningly needs to complete the work means 4 plus 3 7 units per day. They both complete 7 units. The total units is 318 units. So answer will be 318 divided by 7. 7 4 times 28 and 7 4 times 28. So answer will be 44. Option A is our answer. Okay, next second question. A train covers a certain distance at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour and another distance that is 4 times of the previous distance at 60 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed of the distance. So the question says that there is a distance. Okay, it is covered at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour and another distance 4 times of the previous distance. So another distance is 4d and traveling with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So this is what we have, and we need to find the average speed. Average speed is equals to total distance. Total distance means d plus 4d, which is 5d. Okay, divided by total time. So we have distance by speed is equals to time. So we get a d by 30 here plus here 4d by 60 means d by 15. Here to make the base equal, we do this 2 times and 30. So this 30 goes to top. So what we have is 3d here. Okay, d and d cancel, 3 10 times. What we left is 50. So answer is 50 kilometers per hour. This is the answer for second question. First one option is option A, second one answer is option B. Next, question number 3. In a mixture, the ratio of milk to water is 4:3. Okay, milk and water is in the ratio of 4:3. When 77 liters of mixture is replaced by water, so subtracting 77 and replace it with water. Let's take them as x. Then the ratio becomes 3:5. The question says that 4x equals to 3 divided by 5. This is 3x plus 77. So this is what it is given at the end. Now what we need to find is find the quantity of water in the final mixture. We need to find the value of 3x plus 77 value. So from this we have 4 times is 20x equals to 3 times 9x plus 9 3 times 21 and into 11 times means 231. Here we get 11x equals to 231. X value will be 21. So we got x value 21. What we need to find is 3x plus 77. 21 times will be 62 plus 77, which will be, wait a second, this is 63 plus 77, which will be 0 7 7 14 140. So 140 is our answer, option A. So third question answer is option A. Next, fourth question. A shopkeeper bought 4 oranges for rupees 120. So the cost price of 4 oranges is 120 rupees, and sold 6 oranges for rupees 200. 6 oranges he sold at 200 rupees. Here we cannot able to get any clarity about we get profit or loss because of these two. Here he has 4 oranges, and here he sells 6 oranges, and the price is also different. So what we do is first we need to make the oranges same. So what we do is here we do into 2 times, and here we do into 3 times, and here we do into 2 times. We get what we get is CP of 12 oranges is 360. SP of 6 2 times 12 oranges to 200 times means 400. So cost price of 12 oranges is 360, selling price of 12 oranges is 400. So he made a profit of 40 rupees. Now the question asked is, then how many oranges should he sell? Wait a second. The question is from here. He wants to give an overall profit of 200 rupees. Then how many oranges should he sell? He wants a profit of 200. So 200 he wants to make. How many oranges he need to sell? Here 12 oranges, selling 12 oranges, he made a profit of 40. 12 oranges, he made a profit of 40. Now we need to find this one. 40 5 times 12, 5 times will be 60. So answer will be 60 oranges. Option C is the answer for our question. Okay. Now we are going to see question number 5. The average score of a cricketer in a certain number of innings is 45. So total number of matches, let's be X, average is 45. So the total score he scored is 45x. When he scored 0 in one innings, his average dropped to 42. In another match he scored 0. Now the total matches is, initial matches are X and another one match. So X plus 1 is the total number of matches. This is total by total number of matches is equals to average. Average becomes 42. So this is the question that is asked. From this we can able to find the value of X. 45x equals to 42x plus 42. So 3x equals to 42. X value will be 14. So what we get is X value 14. So number of matches is 14. The question asked is how many innings have been played including the last one. Including the last one means 14 plus 1, which is 15. So 15 is our answer. Option D is the answer. Next, sixth question. The length of the rectangle is increased by 25% and its breadth is decreased by 25%. Then its area. For this type of question, initially said that 25% is increased and breadth is decreased by 25%. What we do here is let's take this as A and B. The formula for this one will be A plus B plus AB by 100. Actual formula is this one, plus or minus. Here we have plus or minus. A is increasing means positive. B is decreasing, so it is negative. Here positive or negative means plus into minus, which will be minus. This is positive, this is negative. Plus into minus, which will be minus. Next, A into B means 25 into 25 divided by 100. So these will be cancelled. We left with 0. This will be minus 625 divided by 100 means 6.25. So here we see minus 6.25 means a loss of 6.25 percentage. So this is the answer. Loss of 6.25 percentage. This is question number 6, option E. Now we are going to see question number 7. Dravid age is 5 years less than Vijay. So it says that Dravid is 5 years less than Vijay. This is the statement it is said. Sachin is 75% of Dravid. Sachin is 75% means 3/4 of Dravid means S by D is 3/4 in ratio. Okay. If the average age of all the three friends is 42, so V plus D plus S total value will be 42 into 3 times, which will be 126. Next, then find the sum of the ages of D and S, Dravid and S is the asked. Now we have V equals to 5 plus D, 5 plus D, again we have D plus S. We already know that S and D has a ratio of 3 and 4. So this will be 4x plus 4x, which is 8x, plus S value, which is 3x, equals to this 5 comes this side with minus 121. So here we have 11x is equals to 121. So x value is 11. So the question asked is sum of the values of D and S. Here in place of x we place 11. 3 11 times will be 33 and 4 11 times is 44. Sum of these two means this will be 77. So answer is 77. Option B is our answer. Okay, 7th question answer is B. Next, 8th question. In a business, respective ratio of investments of John, Raman and Dean is 3:4:5. 3:4:5 investments. Investments into time ratio is equals to profit ratio. Okay. If Roman profit is 33.33% more than John's profit, so Roman's profit 33.33% means 1/3 more. 1/3 more means 4/3 more to John. So this is John. So the ratio, profit ratio of Roman and John is 4:3. Roman and John is 4:3. Next one, profit of Dean is 33.33 less than that of John. So for Dean, the profit is 1/3 less. Less means 2/3. 2/3 of John. So the profit ratio of Dean and John is 2/3. Dean is 2 and John is 3. Okay, it is fine. So this is profit ratio. Now the question asked is find the respective ratio of time periods of the investment by John, Roman and Dean. So here we have 3 and 3 cancels, 4 and 4 cancels. Now we need to find the values of this one. 3 becomes 3 when it is into 1 times. 4 becomes 4 when it is into 1 times. 5 into 2/5. 5 into 2/5 will be 2. So these are the time periods we got. So these are the time periods means the ratio of these are 1:1:2/5. So the ratio we get is 5:5:2. So this is the answer. Option D is our answer for question number 8. Now question number 9. Due to price hike of 25%, 3 kgs less rice is available for 165 rupees. What is the initial price per kg of rice? So percentage hike is 25% is hike. Due to that 3 kgs less we can able to take. But if we take for 100%, we get only 12 kgs. 25 4 times for 3 times will be 12. So we get 12 kgs only. At present we getting only 12 kgs. Initially we are able to get 15 kgs. It is said that 3 kgs less rice is available for 165 rupees. So initially 15 kgs. Now we can able to buy only 12 kgs. This 15 kgs is available for 165 rupees initially. Now the question asked is what is the initial price per kg? Per kg means for 1 kg 15 1 times 15 and 1 times 11 rupees per kg is initial price. So answer will be option E, 11 rupees per kg. Now we are going to see the question number 10. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 kilometers per hour. So given that m value is 12 kilometers per hour and speed of the stream s is also given as 3 kilometers per hour. If the total time taken by a boat to go and come, so goes with downstream and comes with upstream, total 8 hours. T up plus T down, total 8 hours it is taken. Find the length of the river. So we don't know the length of the river, but upstream speed, which is 12 minus 3, which will be 9, plus length divided by sum of the streams, sum of the boat and the stream, which will be 15, equals to 8 hours. Taking L common, we have 15 plus 9, 24, divided by 9 15 times 105 equals to 135, equals to 8 hours. 8 3 times 3 4 times and 5 times. So answer L is 45 kilometers. So this is our answer. So answer will be option D. Option D, 45 is the answer. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.